Turn around. Let's get your hat on.
Okay. Oh, yeah!
Alrighty. Got a sword for you.
There we go!
Little heart.
Oh,
Are we done?
Alright, nice.
And a monkey in a tree.
Alright.
Here we all here?
We're all
Good,
here.
because I'm certainly not. It's funny but true what some people about to be asked to a dance will do to get recognized. Then they blush and they grin while they're taking us in and look so surprised. Don't be so modest. You finally got us to give you the praise you desire. So here's a review of the things about you that we all admire. You've got style, you've got class, and a cute little bunch of balloons. I'd like to say that it's fun to discuss how much you mean to us on this special day. You're shy and retiring, but always inspiring. Don't know what we'd do without you. You're good and you're pure. Yeah. And it's all quite true. You're warm and you're witty, inherently handsome, and that's not all. You're sweet and you're charming, but always disarming. But best of all, you're kind and consoling. Don't stop me, I'm rolling. Thank you. You're right at the top of the hill. You're really first rate. We all think you're just great, and we always will. Okay, men, time for the big sing-along. The words are hoorah, buck, hoorah, buck. Okay, now wings are optional. Hey, good group. All right, here we go. Today we're here so Bella can invite Arthur to the dance. Hoorah, buck, hoorah, buck. Got your chicken to go the homecoming dance. Hoorah, buck, hoorah, buck. And then the girls will shout. The team will all come out and we'll all have fun as Arthur goes out with Bella. Get ready for the Jubilee. Hoorah, buck, hoorah, buck. A good time on his day. Hoorah, buck, hoorah, buck. Let's all cheer. Let's all sing. Let's make this a real wing ding. Get it? Wing? You're the greatest guy. I hope you go to the dance today. So good timing today. There will be. You're the emblem of all that we love. So let's celebrate royally. Let's all sing and shout. Go hoorah! Hoorah! And you drink and be merry and play. And should odd acquaintance be forgot, we'd never forget you on this special day. Okay, it's time for the chicken dance. Prove you're not too chicken to go to the homecoming dance. You ready? You guys gonna help?
Yeah!
Da 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 da.